In this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill and select a fill color like this, and this is perfect. Go to insert, go to 3D models, click on stock 3D models and right here laptop and search it. Let me click on this and click on insert. Let me rotate the laptop, hold down the shift key, increase the size and place it here like this. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and go to shape outline, make it no outline, click on right button and edit points and place it like this. Now click on this, go to shape, format shape, go to picture or texture fill, go to insert from file and insert a picture from your computer and go to picture format, go to crop and click on fill, and this is perfect. Let me select these two and Ctrl G to group them together. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it like this and rotate it, place it here, shape outline, make it no outline, increase the size and increase the size like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Let me select this shape, go to solid fill, change the transparency like this. Then again go to insert shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Now let me select this shape and this one, go to merge shape, click on intersect and select this shape and change the transparency. And select the shape, go to picture or texture fill, go to insert from file and select this picture and uncheck rotate with shape. Go to crop and click on fill and place it like this. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, drag it like this and right here winter, change the font color, change the font, increase the font size, place it here. Again go to insert shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write some demo text here, make it center and make it white color and increase the size and change the font and place it like this. Now let me click on right button, make a duplicate slide, go my first slide, let me zoom out, select this two text box, place it here, select this one over here, select the shape, reduce the size, place it here, select the laptop, rotate it, hold down the shift key, reduce the size and place it here. Select this two, go to design, click on morph. Now go my first slide and watch the slideshow. This is perfect. If you want, you may change the duration to 3 seconds. Now again watch the slideshow. And this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.